Introducing the latest in our line of air fryer ovens, the GoWise USA Air Fryer Oven Ultra. This brand new appliance comes in 2 sleek colors and has a capacity of 12.7 quarts to let you cook for the whole family. Use one of 11 preset programs to take the guesswork out of cooking as you make fries, wings, steak, vegetables, and much more. Or take full control of your cooking experience with manual mode. Adjust time and temperature with ease using our intuitive digital display. The Ultra's oven light and glass panel let you monitor your food to your desired level of doneness. Dinner is ready when you are using our delay start and keep warm modes. Includes 11 accessories to help you fry, roast, toast, bake, or even dehydrate to your heart's content. We'll even throw in a recipe book to help you get started. With the GoWise USA Air Fryer Oven Ultra, your only limitation is your imagination. What will you make?